This is the train coach I made, and I somehow need to check the details so you guys can see what it looks like. I didn't put a single seat inside of the train, so let me just make one. See? And now for some double-sided tape time. Now I'm going to install it inside of the train by just punching the door open like this. See? Now I'm going to have to add one more to make more space for one more passenger inside of this train coach, and leave space for here as this storage container. See? Now I'm going to transfer the second seat inside of the train. The space over here will be the space for the kitchen, because this is a dining car. Now, just have to add this small scale pantograph to the train engine, and we're done. I just want to say, you're in love with trains with pantographs. Huh? What's that noise? Come over here, ZZ. Okay. ZZ, I just want to say, what is it? You're in love with trains with pantographs? Oh, really? Yep. Okay. And now, we've made our first biggest train model ever seen. And now, let's couple the train engine to the train coach together. Raise your pantographs. Ready, set, go! Now I'm going to attach this coupling rod I made for the train. See, the connection is also firm and steady, so the train coach doesn't detach from the train mid-trip. Maybe... Oh, I almost forgot something. I have to paint the train, so I'm going to remove the pantograph now. I just want to say, I'm tired of pushing up with it.